Yeah, so after coming up on these Makita polishing pads, wool bonnet and a polishing bonnet, I guess the next step was to pick up a high-speed polisher. This is a very cheap high-speed polisher I got from Home Depot. They're also available on Amazon. This is a Wen 7-inch high-speed polisher. 7-inch variable speed polisher. I ended up getting it from Home Depot because when I buy things with the Home Depot credit card, they give me a 1-year warranty. So if this thing breaks, I can exchange it with their warranty. That's at speed 1. 15, 20, 25, 30. That seems very, very, very fast. That's the max speed. So variable control feels pretty good. Making a shaking noise. Maybe from the pad or the holder. Yeah, probably just from the holder, but I'm very happy with it. I got it for like $42 at Home Depot. I wanted to buy a high-speed polisher and I didn't want to spend $299 on the DeWalt cordless high-speed polisher, or even $169 for the DeWalt corded high-speed polisher. Basically, this tool came with this little bonnet over here, so a couple extra parts, and this handle, and then the Allen wrench fittings right there. But that's what it looks like right there. Let me put on one of these Makita polishing bonnets or a wool bonnet just to see how it works. So on the Makita, it has the stuff right there, so it'll stick onto a Velcro bottom. That's what this one has. Oops, let's see, maybe I might need 2 hands to put this on real quick. Oh, that's on. For $42, I can't complain. It'll come with a 1-year warranty. If I break this thing, it'll actually be easier for me to just buy another one. But I'll eventually use it on my car. That's what it sounds like on speed 10. Let's try it again. Go up speed over here. That's 10. I think this is going to be great for polishing my car and polishing acrylic fish tanks. But yeah, that's the Wen variable speed 7-inch polisher, available on Amazon or at the Home Depot for somewhere around $42 to $45.